Hello everyone, this is Sandeep Rai Chamling, CEO, founder, mentor and advisor of mentoroffice.com. As you can see today I have a brand new video to give an unboxing and the reviews about DigiTek 3-axis gimbal. As you can see here, this is how it looks like la. Cover na zoom better short view. They have all this kind of modes la, and everything is there. And they also have an app. You can even install an app called Gimbal Pro, and through the app you can use this kind of features in the app, which is in the app. But it's not important to have an app to use this gimbal. This is the most common that people are asking, whether it is very important for us to use an app or not. Well, today I'm going to show you that. So they have all these features. You can read everything in details. It's all there. Okay, now I'm gonna show you here. This is the box. Inside the box, this is how it looks like. It comes with one cover to protect the gimbal, and the gimbal is inside here. And they have all manuals. User manuals is also there. They have this to carry the gimbal, and they have this tripod to put below the gimbal, and you can put it in the stand so you can just open it up. Gimbal gyani maul ani deep gimbal na chugula mauluna the chuchi straight with the stand is on. So I'll show you how to do that later on. Now let me show you how exactly the gimbal is. Now I'm gonna open it up, and please bear with me because I'm just shooting this alone without any help. Oh, he's like this. Oh, okay. So I'm just opening up. This will go all the way here. So here la. Ani thabdi ana chunila. Ana dele ani thab chusimle. Then you can carry la. So pretty much helpful bag zumbi carry betu sir. So now proceeding further, this is how the gimbal looks like. And since it is like this, power on option mode the power on anabego. The any mode the app use by the time you use bego. But this joystick is the joystick which will help you use here in there. So now I will put one camera phone which I have, and then I'll put it out there and I'll show you about the camera as well. But before I do that, this is the USB. You can even charge your animela phone as well. Ani through the USB cable USB the power supply this way and charge with the way. And the app this USB will zoom in and zoom out beneath the email app USB the time you can use show and no problem. And they have this shutter just to an app use the capture phone nale. You don't have to click on phone, you just need to click on this. It will capture the video or pictures snap. So I'm going to show you now by putting an camera, and first I'm going to show you without using an app how it will be useful without using an app. The question is, will it work? Now let me show you. Okay, now I have put the stand also, and it is in standing position, and the gimbal has been already attached, and I have even attached this string for the back. You can carry easily like this with this string. Now this is the charger cable where you can put any side nale. You can put out here and charge with this, connect with this and connect with your USB. You can connect with your computer system, or you can put it in your charger and put it to charge this gimbal. You can do that as well. Now since this is this position, now you must be wondering why this is like this. Well, I have to balance this first, so I have to go back, and there is one button out there, and I have to balance this and for that I have to lose it first. Lose it, and as pull baby and pull betubla. So now this is like this. Now I'm gonna go a little bit high to balance it. almost there. Almost there. See ya. Okay. So I'm seeing a tight bego. Since this is balanced, I did not turn on that. I've turn on beauty. This is how exactly it looks like la. See, completely balanced la. Now so it shows the green light color. That means it is ready. Now I'm using without app la. Without app. Now let me turn on my camera. I'm turning on my camera, and my camera is on now, and I can simply use this button. Just simply use this button to move any part of honors. So you can control. You can go 360. Yeah, is the limit. I'm just saying. The look diano. Any the block. Any jotikti and till here you can use it. Rotate. Now I am rotating back. So I can use this as a tool where I can do an interview and everything. I can use this also like this, and I can even use like this. I can take it here and there. See, the camera is still there. Camera is still moving. I mean, it's not moving. This is the advantage of the gimbal. This is the use of the gimbal. Even your hand is shaking, your video is always recorded in stealth mode, stabilizing the movement. I can go up and I can go down this much. I can rotate amchime, and to rotate up, I'm going to go up all the way up to the ceiling. Not only in the ceiling, it will turn to my face. So basically it's 360. Okay la. So without app, I'm using it. Now let me show you how exactly you can use with an app. What is the difference? Well, this is without an app. Now if I'm using with an app, so I need to go and click on the GoPro. Gimbal Pro is the app that you need to install. While using this app, I'm gonna turn on this. So I'm gonna I have to allow everything. So I have to allow. So turning on Bluetooth. Now my phone and this gimbal Bluetooth is connected. So I need to click on this pair. Connected, as it was connected. Now I can go to home. I can go to home and enter the camera. I can simply go on the camera. So since it is balanced, now I'm gonna little bit balance. And the balance the answer to recently ani jab khagi ani balance bego. Oh no, it's not moving. It's because it is shut down. So now it is shut on. Now this is the camera of app la. This is not my default camera of the phone. It is a camera of the app. So I don't know. Most of the people says the quality of the camera of the app because it is all recorded through the app. Remember? Now it is all recorded through the app. Now here I have the options where I can use as well. I can simply click on the button here behind to snap the photo. That's how I can snap. And if I am using video, I can even zoom in and zoom out. Zoom in by clicking here, this button. Zoom out. This is the advantage of using an app. And you can choose the video mode. I can simply click on the back button here, on a button, and the button ipchi recording goes zoom. So now I'm gonna click on Yeah. So it's recording mode now. It's recording in stealth mode. Now if I want to move here, I can move. If I want to move here, I can move. So basically this is the anime. This the video quality la 1080 with 30p FPS quality mela. So I have 4.7 GB memory la because of the app that I'm using. So you can store all the videos and everything in the app. It will go to your cloud la. It will show the battery and everything. You can even control the shutters and everything la. So basically there's nothing to know more about this because it seems normal. Even if you're using app or even if you're not using app, it's totally up to you. But this is the only difference between using an app and without using an app. So this is how you can use these DigiTek 3XL gimbal la. Now this is the unboxing. Now I will give you the reviews. The reviews would be, it's good that it has a stand la. With the stand, what I can do is I can use this gimbal to record my videos. I don't need anyone to catch the camera for me. I can use that. It will work as a tripod zombie also la. So it will work as a tripod as well as a gimbal, which is very handy la. So and at the same time you can use it amazingly. And right now the video is still recording right now. It has been recording like this. So I'm gonna turn off like this, and to turn off simply I need to push a button below here, behind. So it's all the difference is only this much. You can without an app also you can use it, but you can use it manually as well. You have to turn on your camera, you have to record everything, you have to push a button from here in your camera. That's how you can do it. And they also have this back and easy to carry everywhere. You don't need the box. I have the other gimbal. There is a huge difference between this and this gimbal, and I'll show you. So I have this gimbal also. This is Chinese la, and this is Indian la. There's a difference. In Chinese, it is also a gimbal, but it doesn't have the back. So I have to carry with this box everywhere I have to travel. This is so this is the really pain in the bottoms, really bad. So let me open this. So it will be like this packed. Nothing. It doesn't come with anything. It's just a box and this protective. That's it. And it doesn't have the stand too. Sad part about this gimbal is it doesn't have a stand. But yes, I can use it too. It still works. But now since this is vibrating, why? Because there is no phone. Put it inside this gimbal. That's why it is showing that problem. So if I put this your phone here, the red light will change to green. But I need to have a camera first. Put it in. So this is it is also one of the good gimbal, but it doesn't comes with the tripod. But it do have this space to put the tripod also. I can use that tripod also here if it is possible. Yes, but it doesn't comes with the tripod stand, and it doesn't comes with this back. So headache this is. So I would not recommend you this. I would recommend you this because it comes with fully functional package held with back and with tripod. So it is a multi-purpose amazing. It is used as a tripod also. It can be used as a gimbal. You can record the video, make a movie like videos. Amazing. Thank you so much for watching it. PandaRobots.com will be coming out with another videos as well, same like this, with unboxings and everything, reviews. And I would rate this product as not exactly the 10, obviously, because of the app, the quality of the app when you are recording the videos and everything. It seems like the quality of the picture becomes a little bit blur. So just because of that reason, I'm giving 9 out of 10 but rest is amazing. So I would recommend you to go ahead. If you want to place an order, you'll find this product in PandaRobots.com. So make sure you reach out and visit our website, PandaRobots.com, or you can call us 173-29316 for order. So thank you very much.